Tropical Storm Cindy. Tropical Storm Cindy forms over the central tropical Atlantic. 11 p.m. AST Thursday, June 22. Location, 11.7 degrees north 45.2 degrees west. Moving, west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. Min pressure, 1006 MB. Max sustained, 40 miles per hour. Tropical Storm Bret. Center of Bret now over the eastern Caribbean Sea. Heavy rains and strong winds continue over portions of the Windward Islands. 2 a.m. AST Friday, June 23. Location, 13.4 degrees north 61.9 degrees west. Moving, W at 17 miles per hour. Min pressure, 1001 MB. Max sustained, 60 miles per hour.